Hey guys, this is Chris and from the PULWTOP. Yeah, PULWTOP is the manufacturing and also is the brand all of the world who are making the USB-C hub and docks, especially for the Apple accessories. And today, we were introduced to you for the iMac USB-C hub. At first, we will check why we need to do this kind of product for the iMac 24. You can check for this laptop. Yes, it's the iMac 24, and we will check it will have a good appearance and also have the good design. Have no the port on the front and only have the USB-C on the back and for the 4 Type-C. So, and many devices outside also have the USB-A, and also we need SD and TF for the transfer data. And this one no have the port you can use directly to the iMac 24. So why we need to expand the more port and why we have the USB hub for expanding the more port for the iMac 24. Okay, and we can check for this kind of product. We will check this is the iMac docking station, and also it's the USB-C dock and with the M.2 SSD case. Let us unboxing of this docking station. And from the first impression, we will check the product inside. And also this is our brand, it's the PULWTOP. Okay, this is the product, and we can check what accessories we have, and we have the manual. The manual will teach you how to use of this product. Yeah, how to teach you to use of this product. And also we have accessories. These accessories will be help you and to make this product to install the SSD. Okay. And also we know for the iMac we have the many colors such as like the blue, silver, and also it's the pink, and also it's the green, and also it's the silver, and also for orange. And we also have many colors for choice and to match you what color you have for your iMac 24. And we will check, we have the color for the silver, and also we have the color for the blue, and also we have the color for the pink, and we have the color for the blue, and we have the color for the orange. Yes, we have much colors for your choice when whatever your iMac the color is, so you can choose the different SKU and the different colors and from us. And we can check what the part we expand and for the iMac 24. Yes, okay, we can check the first one, and for the material is the all is aluminum. You can check it's a good quality for this docking station. And also you can check for the stand on iMac 24. It's also is the aluminum. It's more the same the material with the iMac 24. We keep the good quality for our users, and we can check what part. And for the iMac 24, we expand, we add to solve our problem for our daily use. The first we can check, we have the 2.0. Why we add the 2.0 and for the iMac 24? Because we have the mouse and keyboard for the no data required. You can connect the mouse and into the USB-A 2 port. Yes, such as like this one. Yeah, you will make to use the mouse and more easily. Plug and play, no need driver. And also when we have the outside SSD, yes, you also can add on the iMac 24 on the back. It's very ugly if we such as like this. Yeah, such as like this, it will be like this one. So if you use this product, it will be help you don't to move your iMac like this. Yes, just to connect it more stable. Yeah, don't need to move your iMac. Okay. So we can connect the SSD outside and to connect our docking station, such as like this one. If your cable is USB-A, you connected the USB-A port. And also we have the SD and TF because somebody and some users like the camera, you need to take some photos from the SD. But when you need to transfer and to your iMac, you need to buy adapter for the Type-C to the SD and TF. So don't need. This dock solve you all the problem, whether the USB-A, whether the SD and TF, whether the extra SSD enclosure. It's also okay, this dock all in one to solve your problems. The most important and for this docking and is on the bottom. We also expand the SSD enclosure on the bottom. It supports the 8 TB at max, but we suggest to you to use the 4 TB max because it will be ensuring the power of your all the function, and you can use all the function together and the power stable. So when you have the SSD such as like this one, you buy it. This one you need to buy it, the product not included. So when you buy it, you just to use the accessories such as like this one. To use these accessories, we included on the box. To use the screwdriver, and to outside. No need driver, yeah, plug and play. But if your SSD is new, you need to get the format at first. Yeah, format at first. But if you use the old one, no need to format, plug and play, and just to insert and to install already. Okay, and this one is the heat dissipation. You need just to put on the SSD, and it will be more helpful and for your SSD enclosure. Okay. Yeah, just to make the screws to fix the cover. Okay, and the next one we will check and how to use of this docking station. And it's really very much for your iMac 24. And just to use this dock, and it's really to match your iMac. We just to put the docking on the bottom. Yeah, such as like this one. And put your iMac into the step. Yeah, know the gap. It's really match your iMac 24 and only to expand the port on this side. Yeah, on this side, and also it's on the bottom. When you install the SSD on the bottom, you don't need to move together and just to connect the devices on the side. And also for this one, and we have the USB-C and to connect it. No need driver, plug and play, and just to connect it, the dock will be working together for all the function. Yes, we just to put our U disk, such as next one, U disk. Yeah, to connect, and the SD, and to connect, and the TF. Yes. No need driver, plug and play. Yes, if you have iMac 24, choose it. Yeah, this one will be suit for you. Okay, that's all. Bye-bye.